안녕하세요. 오늘 공부해요. Listen, 듣고 repeat after me. 따라 하세요. 스, 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 즈, 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 츠, 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 쯔, 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 흐, 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 흐. 굿, 잘했어요. Look at here. When you say 스, your tongue position is here. So when you say 스, it sounds like so it sounds like snake. S. So when you say s, your tongue position is same as s. But when you say s, you need a little tense. S, s, s. So when you say s, it is similar alphabet s. Sorry. Sorry. S. When you say 즈, your tongue position is a little bit different. So when you say 즈, your tongue position is here. So when you say 즈, your tongue part is here. 즈, 즈, 즈. So when you say 즈, it is similar alphabet 즈. So when you say jar, 즈, 즈. So when you say 즈, your tongue position is same as 즈, 즈. But when you say 즈, you need your air. So when you say 즈, you hold the paper. So when you say 즈, you feel a little air. So when you say 즈, it is similar alphabet 즈. So it's charge. 즈, 즈, 즈. So when you say 즈, your tongue position is same as 즈, 즈. But when you say 즈, you need a little tense. 즈, 즈, 즈. But there is no similar alphabet in English. Just to say 즈, 짜다, 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 즈, 즈, 즈. So when you say 흐, your tongue position is different. So when you say 흐, your tongue position is here. So when you say 흐, it is pronounced the back of the throat. 흐, 흐. So if you say 흐, there are no vibrate. 흐. So when you feel cold, you say it is similar alphabet. The house. So good. I will say, you listen and repeat after me. S, 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 j, 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 흐, 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 흐. Good. How to write 스? 선생님 써요. 여러분 써요. 스, 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 즈, 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 츠, 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 쯔, 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 흐, 흐, 흐. Good. 잘했어요. Look at here. I have a card. 선생님이 카드가 있어요. Look at here. 보고 read. 읽어보세요. 스, 스, 즈, 츠, 쯔, 흐. Good. 잘했어요. Today class is done. 오늘 수업은 여기까지입니다. Practice in your home. 집에서 연습하고요. See you next time. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.
스, 스,